Hello, welcome to our today's lesson. Our today's lesson we are going to discuss question on arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression has the first term A and the common difference D. Part A, write down the third, ninth, and 25th term of progression. Any term of AP is given by A plus into brackets n minus 1 then d. Therefore, the third term is equivalent to A plus 2d. Then the 90th term is equivalent to A plus 8d. Then the 25th term is equivalent to A plus 24d. So this is the third term, 90th term, and 25th term. Then question B, the arithmetic progression above is such that it is in increasing hand, that the third, ninth, and the 25th term from the first three forms the first three consecutive terms of geometric progression. Then the sum of the seventh and the twice the sixth term of the arithmetic progression is 78. Calculate Roman 1 the first term and the common difference of arithmetic progression. Therefore, it means that the third and the 90th term and the 25th term of the AP forms the first three consecutive terms of GP. Therefore, the first three consecutive terms of GP is given by A plus 2D, A plus 8D, and A plus 24D. Then from GP we can get the common ratio, and to obtain the common ratio it is given by A plus 8D over A plus 2D is equivalent to A plus 24D over A plus 8D. Then you cross multiply. A plus 8D squared is equivalent to A plus 2D. You multiply by A plus 24D. A plus 8D squared is equivalent to A squared plus 16AD then plus 64D squared is equivalent. A times A is A squared. Then A times 24D is 24dA. Then 2D times A is plus 2dA. Then 2D times 24D is plus 48d squared. A squared cancels the A squared. Then we remain with 16AD plus 64d squared is equivalent to 24dA plus 2dA plus 48d squared. We collect these like terms together. 16AD plus 64d squared is equivalent to 26dA plus 48d squared. Then 64d squared minus 48d squared is equivalent to 26dA minus 16AD. 48 minus 64. So we subtract 48, 64 minus 48. And 64 minus 48, we get 6. Then this is 16. So we get 16d squared is equivalent to 10dA. We divide by by 10d, we divide by 10d. This one cancels, and a is equivalent to 16 over 10d. Then we have been told that the sum of the seventh and twice, so the seventh term of GP is given by a plus 6d, then plus, so this is the seventh term, and twice the sixth term. So sixth term is equivalent to a plus 5d. Therefore, we have been told that the seventh term, that is a plus 6d, plus twice the sixth term, that is a plus 5d, is equivalent to 78. Therefore, a plus 6d, we open the brackets, so plus 2a plus 10d is equivalent to 78. 2a plus a, you get 3a, plus 6a plus 10a, you get 16d. Sorry, the 6d plus 10d, you get 16d, is equivalent to 78. And we have the value of a. So we are going to substitute the value of a in this equation. Let us now first write the equation. That is 3a plus 16d is equivalent to 78, and a is equivalent to 16 over 10d. So let's now replace the value of a with 16 over 10d. Therefore, 3 into 16 over 10d plus 16d is equivalent to 78. 3 times 16, that is 48 over 10, then d plus 16d is equivalent to 78. 48 divided by 10, we have 4.8d plus 16d is equivalent to 78. Then 16d plus 4.8 is equivalent to 20.8d is equivalent to 78. Divide by 20.8, divide by 20.8. D is equivalent to 3.75. So that is the value of the D. Then A is equivalent to 16 over 10, then D. Therefore, is equivalent to 16 over 10 times 3.75. Hence, A is equivalent to 6. Therefore, the common difference is 3.75, and first term, that is A, is equivalent to 6. So that is how we can find the value of the common difference and the first term of arithmetic progression. Thank you for following and watching my video. Let's meet in the next lesson.